right before the new year. We're out in Torrance. See a good number of red tags in the apparel section. Hopefully that means good news. And yeah, we are back to 40% off the back wall. So love to see that. Back on the hunt for some Invincible Run Flyknit 3s if I could find one. I gave both of my pairs away. Starting with some black cement 3. And of course these are the cleats right here. And I believe these are football cleats, right? Hey, football cleats, right? I don't know. But do got these bad boys. $190. Do get 40 off. I got my trails 110. I'm starting with size 10.5, but we'll see some other sizes. 170 right here. What are these? The full forces, $40. Was that 24 bucks after savings? 110 for the Air Max 1s. Luka 2s going for 80. Jordan 1 High Golf, 150. So with these super bright LeBrons, these are 120. Premiums down here, 150 for those. Airspan 2s, 120. Well, that one looks like it's mismarked. This one shows 85. Another LeBron, this is a premium, 160. GT Hustle 2s, 180. This colorway, 170. Did they sell out of all the stuff that's been here for a while? So now everything's new, which means higher prices. I don't know. 90 for those. Got some Dunk Retros, 125, size 11. Anywhere I find it, 4, size 10, 120. I do got 40% off the clearance apparel as well. Got some tech fleece. Is that K-pop? What the hell is that? Got some tech fleece right here. No, it's inside out, size large. $90. So is that 54 after the savings? Ton of Nike signs on this one. Wrong tag. 45 XL. Golf pants go for $100. Dang. You should get 25 off, I guess. Thick sweats go for 90. Another heavy duty sweats, 70 for those. Golf shorts right here, 45. Got a bunch of these Padres jerseys. These are XLs. Yeah, they're going for 175. At least you get 40 off, so close to $100. Nike pullover going for 50. These are some of the smalls. Yeah, Charger hoodies, double XL, going for 85. Herbert jerseys, 175. Aaron Donald jersey still 175. It's a surprise that it's a medium. I see a couple of them here, and then tech fleece. These are down to 60 after the savings. That's an XL. Got a vest right here, Nike Trail vest, XL, 160. Damn, 160 is crazy. This is another one. This one's down to 80 at least. And another one right here. This one looks like it's mostly t-shirts. They got a couple jerseys mixed in, but pretty much all t-shirts. They got some polos, some hella bright polos mixed in. Guess if you got the Jordan 1 glow greens, I guess you could wear these. $15. So is that under 10 bucks? Under $10. Back to the clearance shoes right here. Look at this. Look at this. Can you get any more tags on there? Holy cow. $220 down to $55. These are the Vapor Mask Mocs. I'm not a big fan of these, but look at that price, especially with 40 off. Holy crap, $30 for these. I thought it was in the size 8s. I think everything is everywhere. $190 for these. LeBron 4s. These are tanks. And that's a hell of a price, especially with that 40% off. Close to $100. These Terminators right here. University Blue, $70. Those are pretty freaking clean for 70. Another 40 off. Luka, size 12 right here, go for 110. Cross Trainer 365, size 8. Another one of these LeBrons, yeah, 190. Yep. What kind of Air Max is this? Air Max Pre-Day. These are going for 85. Roshi Golf right here, $48. Air Max 90, going for $100. Here's some boots right here, 125. These are the Nike City Classic boots. GT Cut 3s right here, 130. That's such a good price, especially with the 40% off. These are so freaking comfortable. Man, that's a solid price. GT Cut 3s have great cushioning for basketball shoes. Got some LeBron Next Gens going for 120 size 8. What are these? Zagama Trail 2s 110. Infinity Run 4 Gore-Tex 140. These are size 9.5. These some Romelios, 2 bills. Rarely ever see that for real cheap. 9.5 Jordan 2 Pythons, $90 for those. I did forget to check the women's XL sizes. See if they got some extended size steals. Not really seeing it though. Not really seeing it. Nike ID or Nike by You. What are these? The Vomeros right here. 105. Air Max 90s. These aren't even that big. No, the wrong area. 35 for these bad boys right here. Wait. All white. All white, size 10. 140. That's a little more than I want to spend. It's going to be like what? 80, 82, $83 or something like that. What'd I say? 82, 83. It's $84. This is a very good price, but we've seen it for 80 at the clearance store, right? We've seen these for 80 at the clearance store. So I'm gonna keep searching, try to find them for cheaper. It is $100 off, so can't really complain. And it is all white, super clean. That was close, but yeah, not much else to be honest. These are in the wrong box. If you can get it for this price, hell of a deal, 70, 40 off. I want to say I bought one of these for my workers. I haven't been able to give it to her, but I think it's the exact same colorway. I think that was the exact same price too. Zoom structures for y'all runners who need stability, 65 for those. Air Force Wilds, 145, 40 off. Pegasus going for $100. Wow, we've seen those way cheap. Size 8, $90 for the Equality LeBrons right here, the Next Gens. Not bad. We want mismatching pairs. Moving up to the bigger sizes, Hirachis going for $85. Pretty clean. Pegasus Trail 4s going for $80. Air Max 2013s, $130, way too high. $170, more LeBrons. Size 11.5, Infinity Run, flying at 3s, $80. Be True Air Max 97s. I am just not a fan of these. $100. Katie Trey 510s going for $60. What is that? $36 after savings. Witnesses $60, so the same price. Field Generals right here, $65. Pretty clean. Nike if you just want some plain shoes, size 13s. Center courts right here. Retail, huh? $70 for the Zoom Freak 5s. These are size 10.5. I've seen too much in the bigger sizes. I just see a bunch of smaller size shoes here. $110 for the size 15 Zagama Trails. What these go for? Size 13, $120. Infinity Run 4s, Infinity Run 3s. There's no way that's retail. Size 18, $90. 80 Trey 5s, size 12, $60. Forces, are these the one they call the Jokers? $125. Moving out to the aisle, seeing if they have anything on the end caps. Nah, but these Comfort 2s, such a solid price, pretty much 50% off. And these do have Zoom Air, so comfy. Just saw one of the workers bring this out. Same deal for these. Size 9 through size 12. Then they must have just gotten these. 80 Trey 510s. And then, yeah, I think they got a lot of new stuff after Christmas. And of course, got plenty of the Jordan, what are these, non-signatures, as well as these 2s. And then I think they just got these 3s in. Plenty of sizes 9 through 13. I need these to hit the back wall. 40% off. I'll pull the trigger at 40 off. Dunk Retros. Been seeing these on sale at the malls. Another one right here, $70. Which one is this for $70? Is this the Panda? Nah, Glacier Blue. Did I show it on camera? I hope it came out. But yeah, I got the Vomeros, Airspans, Air Max 2017s. Got Binary Blue right here. Is that the darker blue? Yeah, really dark blue. They have royal as well. Not here, but they make a royal. I have that one. In the field journals, we've seen a ton of these lately, as well as the vintage, Heritage Volks or whatever. Yeah. Steel Shot 2s, LeBron Next Gens, as well as the Witness 8s, Metcon 5s. Like I said, Metcon 8s, as well as the 9s. Got these in a couple of different colorways. I don't think they change much from the 8 to 9s. Got some DNs. And then I think we get to more of the generic shoes over here. Air Max Alpha Trainers. What the hell? Okay. Got some free Metcon 5s right here. And then Metcon 8s. That's a very solid price for those. Duke got some Nike Free Run Flyknit 2018s. Juniper Trail 2s. Couple of those. This colorway is not bad. Then got some budget stuff right here. Quest 3s. Flex Experience. Was it this spot that had the Invincible Run Flyknit 3s? No, nah, not this spot, not this spot. All right, let's check out the women's shoes, and then I think I might have to go. Check some of the more common sizes. Size 8.5, $80 for the Air Force One Shadows. Woodside Chukka 2s, $110. Got a ton of those Invincible Run Flyknit 4s. Exact same colorway. Got it in gray right here as well. $160 though, damn. And a bunch of those exact same ones. Size 8, got some Pegasus Trail 4s. $130. $100 for the Dunko Twist. Some free Metcon 4s right here, $120. Some Grade School mids right here, $120. Calm slides, $40. So that's not bad, especially with the 40 off. That comes out to $24. Then a bunch of the same ones down below. See plenty of these still as well. Not much variety in the women's section, unfortunately. Moving on to the aisles. Only got 2 blazers for the women's. And lately I say only because we've been seeing so many of those in the women's. We got Jordan 1 highs right here. The high OGs go for $70. Not bad. Not bad. They have up to size 12. These hit the back wall, 70 and then 40 off. Holy cow. I think it'll be go time then. Got some Air Max 90s. Got some 270s right here. Air Max 1s right here. Air Force One platforms. That's it, dude. That's it. Everything else, very generic. But even during this mediocre visit, at least you guys know, hey, these are hella cheap here. And they got plenty of sizes. They might make the back wall eventually. Because they're all bigger sizes, to be honest. 9.5, I think is a small size. 9.5 to size 12. Oh, okay, they got a size 7.5. Okay, they got a couple of 7.5s, 8s. But yeah, these will go in the back wall probably soon. And once they do, 70, 40 off, definitely worth pulling the trigger. So if you happen to be close, check this spot every once in a while. Then let me know you guys are able to catch that for hella cheap. I did send the kiddos across the street to grab some food. What you get for what you get? What kind of toppings you talking about? What kind of toppings? We're talking about what's up? Just meat. That's about it, man. Hey, fool, get some onions or something, fool. Get some onions.
We got roasted garlic.
You got roasted garlic?
Yeah.
That adds a lot of flavor, huh? And then what drink is that? Is that blood orange? Let me try some of that, fool. Let me try. This is some good stuff right here. This is one of the best drinks out there, man. Back at Nickel Arcade out in Garden Grove, California. Out in Orange County. Best arcade around. $2 to get in. And all the games cost several nickels. I showed this on my channel quite a few times. They got Time Crisis 3, 4, and 5. And they only cost, what, 4 nickels, 5 nickels, and 6 nickels. So, what's that, 30 cents to play each game? That's just crazy. They got all kinds of driving games, Mario Kart. They got Cruisin', the Cruisin' USA Series, Cruisin' Blast, apparently, MotoGP. They even have a Dance Dance Revolution game. They got all these games over here. Tomb Raider, Walking Dead, Transformers, Aliens. They got all the major games. Like I said, they cost anywhere from 1 nickel to 8 nickels. Most of them are about 6 nickels, dude. It's pretty crazy. We've been here for about an hour and 20 minutes. None of us have used up our $10. None of us have used up our $10 at Dave & Buster's. Last time I went, I think my kids spent like $30 or $40 within the first like 45 minutes. Haven't even got through $10 yet, so not bad. We're about to be here an hour and a half, and $10 for an hour and a half. That's not bad. That's not bad. Did end up back in this game. That little girl that I was helping earlier, she let me know that they gotta leave, and they're really close. Look at this, look at this. So I put the rest of my coins in. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens.
Oh, come on.
Really? There's more coins coming out. Yay! Yay! But we're leaving these two now, dang it. Yay!